And hello there, 30 Minutes fans and folks. This is Mixerwars, and welcome to one episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now, what I have here is a previous part sets from the 30 Minute Sisters. We have the option part sets 14, which is the Spider costume, and it's in color B. And as you can see in the box art, yes, it can sport different attires, or rather, it has different parts. And yeah, I think the LCD, or the visor is something uh, for this part set. Anyway, off to the side, yes, here it is, a part set 14. It's part of the character making, and of course, different parts for different costumes. And have the visor on or off. Off to the other side is, yes, details about the 30 minute sisters of this one. Alright, now let's see and take a look what's inside the box. Alright, so we have one bag with different screws. We have brown, we have multicolored, we have black, another screw which is all flesh, another bag with flesh again, and dark blue. Oh, there's a face picture, so I guess there might be stickers. And another bag here with green and flesh. And of course, we have the instruction manuals here, wherein, yeah, it tells you how to replace the parts. And here it is suggesting to use it to Naveria here. Alright. And let's take a look individually at each of the screws. So first up, we have the A screw here, which is a multicolored screw. We have light green, we have dark green. It doesn't show us green in the screen, or never mind. We have some dark blue and some flesh colors. We have the B screw, which is again that blue color. We have the C screw, which is that lime green. And we have the D screw, which is the flesh color. And of course, we have an E2, again flesh. And we have different face parts here. Yep, so which is flesh colors. I'm not sure this is face parts or flesh parts. Yep. So this is a face part here. Another one here. Another face part here. Then we have, oh sorry, we also have an E2, E1, which is all black. And lastly, we have the hair parts here. And there you have it, 30 minutes fans and folks. That was what's inside the box of the option part set 14 spotter costume color B from the 30 Minute Sisters. And this is Mr. saying, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leave a like, viewing the video, sharing the videos, commenting, and until next time, see you and thank you.